Hello, I'm Duca.
And I'm Roberta.
And for the past year, together we have been refitting this sailboat that was abandoned on the harbor for the past 22 years.
But more than that, we have the goal of producing a weekly documentary series about our journey. The deeper we got into the refit, more we got to know our boat and more we fell in love with her.
Yeah, but even though we know the structure of the boat was so well built, still, after 20-something years, the condition of the structure is amazing. It's a steel hull, and the steel hull is still in such a good condition. But the systems of the boat, it's been 20 years, and 20 years is not 2-3 years, it's 20 years. So a lot of the systems we decided we don't want just to fix what was broken, we want to make the boat even better, because back 20 years ago the boat was amazing. But times change and technology evolves, and we just want the boat to evolve with technology also.
And that's what we have been doing for the past year. We are transforming this neglected boat into our dream boat.
Yeah, our dream traveling machine, our dream boat that we can explore the world. We can travel around and we can meet different people from different cultures. We can just experience the world, because the world is so diverse and so big that we want to get to know more every day. That's our goal.
And that's the reason why we decided to go with a Xantrex system, because we need a system to rely on to go off-grid.
Yeah, we just want to explore away, and we love to share our memories and our adventures with everyone. And in order to do that, we need to charge our batteries. And with Xantrex solar panels and MPPT charging controller, we can charge our batteries every day when it's sunny. And we can also edit our videos using our Freedom XC2000 inverter charger. And that's just amazing. We can edit our videos anywhere we go, even off-grid. That's just
we are counting the days to go off-grid, actually.
Yeah, right now we're in the marina on the final stages of our refit. And then we are just gonna live and stay off-grid a little bit and enjoy all our hard work from the past year. And we're just counting the days. It's just gonna be amazing to just anchor the boat and be able to edit our videos using solar. Just feel free and enjoy the world. That's just mind-blowing.